What if every time someone commented a single word on one of your Instagram posts, they automatically received a DM that walked them step by step toward becoming a lead or a customer? No manual replies, no following up, no forgetting. The whole thing runs on autopilot while you focus on growing your business. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to build today using GoHighLevel. We're going to set up an Instagram comment automation where someone comments a specific keyword on your post, and GoHighLevel instantly fires off a personalized DM sequence that delivers value and moves them towards a specific action, like sending someone to a landing page, a sales page, an affiliate link, booking calendar, a lead magnet, you name it. This is a quick, fun, and engaging way to generate leads and possibly increase conversions. And a quick note before we dive in, GoHighLevel is sponsoring today's video, but please know that I only partner with brands and products that I actually use. And if you haven't done so already, visit the link in the video description below to sign up for your own GoHighLevel account so you can follow along in today's video. And on that note, let's get started. Okay, before we could build any of this out, we need to connect your Instagram account to GoHighLevel. This is a one-time setup and it only takes a couple of minutes. And let me walk you through exactly what that looks like. Okay, so from inside your sub account dashboard, look on the lower left corner of the sidebar and click on settings. This opens up your business profile settings. And from here, again, if you look at the left sidebar, click on integrations. And this is the integrations hub where you can connect GoHighLevel to all kinds of external platforms like Google, TikTok, WhatsApp, Shopify, and more. And for our purposes today, we're focused on Facebook because Facebook is how you connect both your Facebook page and your Instagram account at the same time. So go ahead and click on that Facebook card and a pop-up will appear asking you to connect. I'm going to click connect and Facebook will open a login window. It's going to ask you to continue as your Facebook account. So go ahead and confirm that. Next, it'll ask you to choose which pages you want Lead Connector to access. Lead Connector is just GoHighLevel's underlying platform name. This is the same thing. So go ahead and select your Facebook page and click continue. Then it'll ask you to choose which business accounts to grant access to. Select your business and then click continue again. And the next screen asks about Instagram accounts. This is the key one for what we're building. So make sure your Instagram account is listed and checked here and then click continue. And then you'll land on a permissions review screen. This is Facebook showing you everything Lead Connector is requesting access to, things like accessing your Instagram posts, managing comments, and handling messenger conversations. These are all necessary for the comment automation to work. So go ahead and scroll through these and click the save button there at the bottom. And then next you'll see a confirmation that your account has been connected to Lead Connector. So click got it to close that window. GoHighLevel will then show you a sync screen listing your Facebook page with an Instagram icon next to it, confirming it found your connected Instagram account. So check that box next to your page and you'll see a sync time dropdown. You could leave this set to new leads. That just controls how GoHighLevel handles lead capture from Facebook ad forms, which is separate from what we're building. So you can go ahead and click connect and continue. After connecting, you'll see a success confirmation that says new Facebook pages added successfully with the blog within page listed underneath. That means the connection worked. Then below that, you'll see a prompt about form field mapping. Go ahead and click the configure field mapping button. And then a second screen will pop up showing the form field mapping table. And if it says forms not available, that's completely fine. This screen is only relevant if you're running Facebook lead generation ad campaigns with forms attached, which we're not doing that today. So you can go ahead and just click save and you're good to move on. Then you may see a small yellow warning there in the upper right corner of the Facebook integration card. And if you hover over it, it may say something like missing permissions that may affect functionality. Don't worry about this. I saw the same thing when I set this up earlier and the automation worked perfectly. That warning is likely related to some optional ad account or product catalog permissions that have nothing to do with the Instagram comment automations. As long as your page and Instagram accounts are connected, you're good to go. All right, with the integration set up, we're ready to build the actual automation. So go ahead and click Go Back in the sidebar. And then this time, click Automation. And this takes you to the Workflows page. Now, you'll notice there's actually an AI workflow builder right in the middle of the screen. You could literally type in plain English what you want to automate, and it will build the workflow for you. Now, that is a whole other video on its own, and maybe in the future, I'll create a video using this feature, but for today, we're going to use one of the pre-made templates. So in the upper right corner, if you click Create Workflow, a small drop-down appears with three options: Start from Scratch, Select from Template, and Company-Based Workflow. Again, for this example, we're going to click Select from Template. And this opens the template library, which has a whole collection of pre-built workflow recipes for all kinds of use cases: lead nurture, appointment confirmation, reactivation campaigns, and more. And you'll see a few recently added templates here, but if you want to see all of them that are available, click See All. And this expands the library to show you all the available templates. And then we'll need to scroll a bit to find the one we want. It's called Recipe Instagram Comment Automation, and it's all the way at the bottom there. And then once you find it, whenever you hover over it, you'll see two buttons appear: Preview and Choose Template. If you click Preview, this lets you see the full workflow before committing to it, which is a great habit to get into with any template. So what you're looking at here is the exact automation that we're going to build. At the top, you have the trigger, which is Instagram comments on a post. Below that is a respond on comment step, which will post a public reply to the comment on the Instagram post. And then below that is an Instagram interactive message step, which is what fires the DM sequence. Then from that interactive messenger step, you can see three branches: the default timeout, visit our website, and get the checklist. Those branches represent different paths the conversation can take depending on how the person responds to the DM. Then we obviously want them to request the checklist, so there is a second Instagram interactive messenger step below it so we can send the actual lead magnet to them. This is a great way to scale your business, grow your following, and get your lead magnet out to more people. Plus, with GoHighLevel's automation, this is all done for you automatically, and it saves you so much time. So on that note, the only thing we need to do now is to configure this template. So go ahead and click Choose Template in the top right corner, and then GoHighLevel loads the template into the full workflow builder. Here we have complete control over how this goes down. And the workflow is currently in draft mode, which means it's not live yet. So we can configure this and make it exactly what we want and tailor it to our audience. So in the next section, I'm going to walk you through how to set up each piece of this automation: the trigger, the public comment reply, and the DM messages, so that it's ready to go live and start working for you. Okay, now that the template is loaded in the builder, we need to configure it so it knows which Instagram account to watch, which post to monitor, and which keyword to listen for. And let me walk you through each piece. So first, if you click on the trigger card at the top of the workflow, this opens the trigger settings panel on the right-hand side of the screen. And what we want to pay attention to is the filters section. So the first filter is Page Is, and there's a drop-down on the right. If you click that drop-down, your connected Instagram account will appear. Go ahead and select that. This basically connects the trigger to your Instagram account. Then once you do, two more filter rows appear automatically below it. The first is Post Type Is, which will be set to Published Post by default, and I'm going to leave that set because I want this trigger to only be enabled on published posts. And then the third new filter is Post Is. This is where you could tell GoHighLevel exactly which post you want to watch for comments on. And if you click that drop down, you'll see a list of your recent Instagram posts pulled directly from your account with their dates. So go ahead and select the post you plan to use for this campaign. And after selecting it, you'll see the full filter flow. And then below that, there is a View on Instagram link if you want to preview the Instagram post just to confirm that you're using the right one. All right, next we want to add the keyword filter so that anytime someone comments with a specific word, this will trigger the automation sequence. So go ahead and click where it says Add Filters. Then click where it says Select, and then a drop-down will appear asking what kind of filter you want. You have three options: standard fields, contains phrase, and exact match. For this example, we're going to be using exact match. And then a text field will appear on the right side where you'll want to type in your keyword. And in this case, it's going to be checklist. Then below the filters, you'll see a toggle labeled Track First Level Comments Only. Make sure this is turned on. This ensures the automation only fires on direct comments on your post, not on replies to other comments. It keeps things clean and prevents the automation from triggering in ways that you didn't intend. And then with all that set, go ahead and click the Save Trigger button in the bottom right corner. And the updated trigger is now enabled in our automation. So now it's watching a specific Instagram post for any time someone comments checklist. The next step in the workflow is Respond on Comment. And if you click that, it'll open up the settings panel on the right. And this is the public reply that gets posted directly in the comments section of your Instagram post whenever someone comments on your keyword. It's the first thing they see after commenting, and it lets them know, and everyone else reading the comments, that something is happening and they should check their DMs. So over on the right, you'll see the template already has two comment replies preloaded. Hey, check your DM, and thanks for showing interest. Please check your DM. GoHighLevel will rotate between these randomly each time the automation fires, which is a nice touch. It keeps the replies from looking identical if multiple people trigger the automation on the same post. And you can edit these to match your tone or click Add New Response to add more variations. The more variety you have, the more natural the replies will look to anyone scrolling your comments. You'll also notice a like comments toggle there towards the bottom. When enabled, GoHighLevel will automatically like the comment as well. Worth noting though, this feature only works for Facebook posts. Instagram doesn't support it, so you could leave the toggle however you like and it won't affect anything on the Instagram side. All right, then if you made any changes, go ahead and click the Save button and let's move on to the DM steps. So next up is the Instagram Interactive Messenger setup. This is the first DM that fires automatically when someone comments checklist on this Instagram post. So go ahead and click that step in the builder to open its settings panel. And you'll see that the reply type is already set to reply to comment via DM. That's exactly what we want, so just leave that as is. But below that is the message field. Now the template has some placeholder copy here, but you can go ahead and replace it with your own message. This is the first thing the person will see in their DMs, so make it warm and on brand. For example, and I'm just keeping this super basic for time, I'm going to say, "Hi, I'm excited that you want to start your blogging journey." I know, that's super basic, but again, you'd want to make this more aligned with your brand and what you're trying to accomplish. Then if you scroll down a bit below the message, you'll see a buttons section. This is where it gets really interesting because GoHighLevel lets you add up to 2 interactive buttons that appear right inside the DM. So instead of just reading a message, the person gets to tap on a button and choose their own path. And the template already has 2 buttons set up as placeholders. You can update them to match your use case. So the first button I changed to say visit my blog with the action set to open website. So if they click that, it'll take them straight to my website and my blog. And then I dropped in the URL for Blog with Ben. This gives people an easy way to check out the site if they want to explore further. The second button is get the checklist set to perform actions. This is the branch that we really care about because when someone taps this, the automated workflow routes them through the checklist delivery path, which we'll set up in just a bit. And one important note you'll see at the bottom of this panel, GoHighLevel automatically adds a 1-minute wait step to any messenger action. This is built in so the platform has time to receive a response before moving the contact into the default timeout branch. So you can leave it at 1 minute or adjust it if you want to give people more time to respond. All right, once everything's set here, go ahead and click the Save button when you're done. Next, find the second Instagram Interactive Messenger step, which lives inside the Get the Checklist branch, and click on it. And this is the message that will deliver the actual link to the checklist. And what we'll want to do here is write the delivery message. So this message is even simpler. You just need a short line that hands over the goods. Something like, "Here's your checklist, enjoy." Keep it brief. The person already knows what they asked for. They just need the link. And the way I like to handle that is by adding another button. So in the buttons section, click Add New Button. And then give it a name. I'm going to use View the Checklist. Then for the action, select Open Website. And a link field will appear below it. And then paste in whatever URL leads to your checklist. For this example, it's a Google Doc, but it could be a landing page, an affiliate link, whatever you're using. Then once you're done, click the Save button. All right, with both DM steps configured, take a moment to look at the full workflow in the builder. You should see the complete flow from top to bottom. We got the trigger, the respond on comment step, the first Instagram Interactive Messenger with its 3 branches, and the Get the Checklist branch leading into the second Messenger step with the View the Checklist button at the end. I know that may sound like a lot of jargon, but let me show you how this actually looks and works in real time. So if everything looks right here, it's time to go live. So in the top right corner, you'll see a draft publish toggle switch. Go ahead and flip that to the right, and that will officially publish this workflow. Then click the Save button. And that's it. Your automation is live. And on that note, let's check it out. Now, a quick note before we walk through this, the post that I'm using for this demo is not a post that I specifically created for this campaign. In a real world scenario, you'd want to create a post or a reel where you or the caption explicitly tells people to comment the keyword to get the freebie. Something like, "Want my free WordPress blog launch checklist? Drop the word checklist in the comments and I'll DM it to you right now." That call to action is what drives people to trigger the automation in the first place. But the mechanics work exactly the same regardless of the post in this demo. So on that note, let me show you how the actual automation flow works. Okay, so here we're at the Instagram post, and in the comments, I'm going to type checklist. And that's all the viewer has to do. Just type in one word. And then once they send that comment through, within about a minute, the automation fires its first action, the public comment reply. Right there in the comments section under my checklist comment, Blog with Ben has replied automatically, "Hey, check your DM." This is important for two reasons. First, it confirms to the person that something is happening and they should check their inbox. Second, anyone else scrolling the post and they see that exchange, that creates social proof and curiosity that drives even more people to comment the keyword themselves. All right, then I'm going to jump over to my Instagram DM inbox, and then right at the top I can see Blog with Ben sent a message, and then let's open it. And the message reads exactly what we set up. "Hi, I'm excited that you want to start your blogging journey." And then below, we have the two tappable buttons, visit my blog and get the checklist. So far so good. Everything is working as expected. And for this example, let's click get the checklist. And then in a few moments, a second message comes through from Blog with Ben. Here is your checklist with a view the checklist button below it. And then if we tap that view the checklist button, the link opens right inside Instagram. And in this case, it's a Google Doc of my WordPress blog launch checklist with 30 steps laid out across multiple phases. The person gets everything they asked for without ever leaving the app. And that's the complete lead journey. The whole thing was frictionless and fully automated. Okay, there's one more thing I want to show you before we wrap up. So back at the builder, if you click on the Enrollment History tab at the top of the screen, this will show you every contact that has passed through this automation. You can see the entries here from today, the contacts who triggered the workflow, the action that was executed, and the status. Everything marked finished means the automation ran successfully end to end. Then if you click on one of those contacts, this takes you straight into GoHighLevel's built-in CRM. And what you're looking at is the full contact record. Every single interaction is logged right here. And you can see my interactions here with GoHighLevel. I was testing out the automation to make sure everything worked. And the beautiful thing about this is GoHighLevel automatically created this contact the moment the automation fired. You didn't have to manually add anyone. You didn't have to export a spreadsheet. The lead just appeared in your CRM, fully attributed to the source. And this is the part that most people overlook when they think about comment automations. It's not just a clever way to deliver a freebie. Every person who comments your keyword becomes a trackable lead in your database that you could follow up with, tag, segment, and nurture over time, all from inside GoHighLevel. All right, that's the full automation build using GoHighLevel. An Instagram comment triggers a keyword filter, GoHighLevel fires a public reply in a DM sequence, and then the lead gets the checklist, and you have a new contact in your CRM automatically. And this is one of the most underused automations available right now, and GoHighLevel makes it genuinely super easy to set up. And if you want to try the platform, there's a free trial link in the video description below. Covers everything that I showed you today and a whole lot more. And if this was helpful, hit the like button, be sure to subscribe and drop a comment and let me know how you're going to use GoHighLevel in your business. And on that note, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these two videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.